Nice and lovely. So we're going to make a beetroot and mango juice today. Frozen beetroot, frozen mango. Piece of ginger. Piece of lemon. And this is the beetroot, fresh beetroot. This one is a fresh one I'm using. One cup of water. Just blend for 4 minutes. Tip a little bit more water. Can put honey if you like, but I'm just keeping it natural. Beautiful. Oh, smells nice. Alright, I know I just blend it, but I'm just going to keep it natural like this. Keep it as a smoothie. Very nice. Very, very nice and authentic. As you can see, I was trying to strain it, but look, cannot strain it. Really thick and nice. Alright, so these fresh beetroot, you can get them like get the beetroot, roast them off in your oven, remove the skin, and use them to make smoothie and all these things. Sometimes I make them with fresh juice, or sometimes I just make a drink with it or a smoothie. Very nice and simple. Mango and beetroot with lemon, and you can put honey in it if you like, but chew off the sweetness of the beetroot and also of the mango. I just keep it natural. Enjoy the recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.